Ready, camera, action. Alright, you guys are doing a project on Orchard Road. And because you are doing a project, can I just clarify, you are looking at which industry in Orchard Road?
The fashion industry.
Okay, you are looking at the fashion industry in Orchard Road. So what will happen is you guys will go to Orchard Road to do your observations. Okay? In doing your observations, what happens is that you will capture your observations using poems. And in using poems, alright, you will break down the entire process of the observations into 3 phases. Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3 phases. And in capturing all your observations, alright, so please also capture something called the 3 important things, which should be your observations, which is what you see, the process, the breaking down of the process, what the observations are, and of course inferences of what you think people feel or what you hear or whatever that cannot be observed but inferred. Okay, so you capture these 3 things. Can I give you an additional thing that please include pictures? We realize that students who are able to capture pictures of the observations are able to relate better and well, and therefore do well for this portion of the assignment. Alright, you will then capture the rest of the components, which is OEMS. Okay, objects, emotions, multiple perspectives, and services. Okay, accordingly. And this will all translate into something called a smile and pinpoint. Smile point and pinpoints. Now note that you need to give me at least how many? 8 to 15 of each of these smile and pinpoints. Okay, these smile and pinpoints will be recontextualized into powerful questions which are called opportunity statements. Alright, and again you should give me 8 to 15 of this. You will then choose one particular opportunity statement and translate it into 2 ideas, idea 1 or idea 2, and you will make use of your ideation template. In your ideation template, the key focus is to begin illustrating and drawing 2 key ideas. Now, if one piece of paper is insufficient, feel free to use as many as necessary to fully explain the labeled diagram. The diagram must all be labeled. Okay? And over here, you need to provide a paragraph write-up of the sequence of using your features as well as the functions of your ideas, and most importantly, a lot of students are missing out how idea deals with the opportunity that you have spotted. Right? Remember, you have an opportunity statement. A lot of students fail to explain to me how the idea deals with the opportunity spotted. And then at the lower portion here, highlight some of the key features, 3 key features, and how these are able to bring users benefits. Remember that user benefits must always be worded from a user's perspective. This includes, for example, the blind person will be able to, small children will be able to, the sales assistant will then be able to do what? Okay, there's always a name to a user. So that's called a benefit. If you are unable to name who the user is, likely you're giving me another feature again. Alright? So a benefit must be worded from a user's perspective. Where it is fast, it is good, it is light, it is user-friendly, these are called features. Alright, they are not benefits. Benefits must benefit a particular user. Is this clear? Alright, having drawn this and explained fully, you will then come up with specific ideas. So let's give an example. You are looking at the fashion industry. So for you, you may come up with an innovative cloth hanger. There's a speaker, has some button, can talk, can extend in size and collapsible. So that's your innovation. Right? For you, your idea might be the new version of changing room that have a clothes hanger, shower facilities, privacy, human detection, and collapsible and stuff like that. Okay, very user friendly changing room. Okay, yours is the changing room, and then for her innovation might be a very innovative app that revolutionizes people's purchasing experience. Is this okay? Now remember, all of these do not meet my needs if you are failed to sell to ORBA, who I am. Okay, I'm ORBA. If you sell me as individual particular ideas and you sell to ORBA and say that this is going to help the fashion industry in Orchard Road, this does not make sense at all. Okay, in order to help me as ORBA, you need to give me something called an integrated fashion or fashion shopping experience. Alright, where this integrated experience may or may not include all the petty ideation that you guys are doing for poems and ideation. Is this clear? So this integrated experience may include a new role, like for example, a customer service ambassador who's a very pretty lady who will tend to you. It may include renovations to the shop front on how things are being displayed, how people journey, shop things and make payment. It may be a new payment system, new way of payment like an ERP payment for shoppers who purchase things. So the new integrated experience need not necessarily relate to the ideas that you come from. But if you are able to incorporate, it is fine. But if your ideas do not hold together to form part of the integrated experience, it is also fine. Remember that your survey should not be based on these petty ideas, but based on the integrated solution. Okay, end video.